happens is there is a single window. Okay, there's a single admin office where we go and all the works are done there. Your visa work, your new employees, what you bring in, any kind of municipality work, everything gets done on a single window. It's more faster, quicker and efficient. When you go to the mainland, there are different departments. Okay, so for some work you need to go to this office. For some work you need to go to that office. Okay, so considering that, plus always every year on the renewals or anything new, you need to also get details like signatures and everything from the local sponsor as well. So they are quick, but every time you need to go there. Here I can go straight away tomorrow. Like for you, we just went and said, okay, these guys are coming, we want them request. So free zone is always, for us, we have felt it's always better. Things are better, it's managed, and it's under a gated community. When you look at free zone, it's a gated one. So things getting stolen out from here. Whenever people go out, they check the cars, and they come in, they check. So something going wrong inside is very difficult. They keep a proper tap on things. It's totally checked everywhere. There are cameras put up. On the mainland, that is not possible. Everything is not in check. If something gets stolen from my warehouse only, I'll come to know because I checked the CCTV. But where it went, I'll not come to know.
So can it happen that somebody on the mainland is stealing from the warehouses?
Oh,
the
yeah,
company? Yeah, it happens a lot.
What
Yeah.
happens? There are laborers everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay? There are laborers who work. Those people are not rich because that's why they are working as laborers. They are not literate. They are not rich. They come from countries and they work here to run their home there.
Okay.
So it's not like stealing, but they might take away something for them to eat maybe because we do food products. They might open a packet of cookies or they might open one of these and eat. But for us, they are not paying it, right? And they'll not tell us also because they think, okay, there are 1,000 bars, when these guys will count them.
Mm-hmm.
We keep on refilling the stock. So it's not like when the old stock comes in, when the new one will come, we'll only check the new one. The old will not count again.
Of course.
Right? So we'll just put on adding the new one and we'll never come to know about it. So such things happen here. So that is why free zone is always better. That people here know, okay, and the customs has a count of everything. For example, I brought in honey, 600 jars. In the customs system, it will show PI International brought in 600 jars from New Zealand. So when, in case after 2 years I say, okay, I want to vacate, customs will come and check how many pieces are there. If they are not 600, that means you did something. So then we can also come to know that way. So free zone, we always felt, is good for us. That it's total control, what we have on things. Mainland, it's not there.
What about working with a free zone company on the mainland? What are the main advantages or disadvantages being a free zone company and working on the local market in UAE? I mean, in terms of doing the proper import on the mainland and working with the distribution.
Only main difference between a free zone and a mainland, working on the retail side, I would say, because we do B2B also. B2B free zone is always better. But B2C, what we do like individual selling, e-commerce, selling, retailing, then mainland gets a plus above free zone because whenever a good goes out of free zone, we need to make custom documents, a bill of exit, we need to make municipality clearances if it's food or anything related to the municipality. So then at that point of time, free zone lacks that benefit what the mainland has. That there is nothing of that sort. Like today you came to me, you told me, okay, I want 5 bars. I cannot sell you 5 bars on cash and you cannot take it and go away. We have to make proper documents and then only I can give it to you. So it takes a day. For mainland, you come to me, you tell me, okay, give me 5 bars, you pay me cash, I give you the bars, you take in the bag and go. So that is one difference for retail specific, that is B2C. B2B, it's totally free. There is no question. B2B, free zone is always better.
Some other differences between the free zone and the mainland companies, or these are the main ones?
These are the main ones. See, the main difference is the mainland companies will have local partners with them who are 51% shareholders. For us, we are 100% shareholders. That is the biggest difference between these two things. Otherwise, on governance part, I would say both are nearly the same. Both have minor plus and minuses, which we look at. But like I told you, today if you come to me, you want a sample from me, I cannot just give it to you like that. If I'm on a mainland area, I can give those samples to you. That okay, you can take it away. In free zone, I need to make a custom bill of exit. Then only it goes out.
What about international trades? Let's say you are the company on the mainland and you wanted to, let's say, sell the products to, for example, Oman or Saudi Arabia, comparing to the company which is registered as a free zone company. Which one is more convenient, free zone or the mainland in this
Both.
case?
Both
Both
are
okay?
Yeah, both are fine.
Both are same. See, doing trade, I would say importing, exporting, storing, both are same. Governance is the same. See, here what they have done is they have made a single window for us. Okay, so all the departments, like 5 different departments which are outside in the mainland, they have brought at one place in single building. So I don't need to roam around. Okay, because mainland is a bigger area. Okay, free zone is hardly 10-15% of the whole area. 85% is mainland. You got the point?
Yeah.
So in mainland, you need to go to different offices because they have a bigger area. They have bigger offices.
Free zone license is a bit expensive
Yeah,
also.
and the license cost on the free zone is expensive compared. Just a moment.
Yeah, sure.
The cost.
Yeah, the next question, just I think the final one. In terms of expenses and the costs, which one is cheaper and what is the difference in percents? Let's say mainland is 100%, how much is free zone?
See, I would say comparatively, free zone would be costlier compared to mainland. Okay, you can say 25 to 30% are more cost.
More expensive on the free zone, yeah?
That is 100. This is 125, 130.
You're calculating cumulatively, right? So you're taking the visa expenses, all the licensing, warehousing, just all the overall charges and costs which you have. It's like 25%.
To 30% higher.
Yeah. Okay.
See what happens now, what they do is, the outside offices, what are they? Those departments they have brought in over here. So to give that service to us, they charge a service charge.
Mhm.
That is okay, because we want flexibility of work here. We don't want to run here and there it's easy for us also. When it comes to free zone, they have brought like the municipality office inside also. So for that they take a service charge from us. So that is okay. We are fair with the service charge as far as we get the benefit of the service. Like if the electricity is there, they might charge us 25% because they have generated the whole electric connections, the sewage connections, everything. So the government will give till the gate. Inside everything they have done. So they have to maintain that also. So they charge us a service charge for that, but that's fine enough. For us, I feel it's okay. We cannot say okay, this one is costly. If we see that, considering like Dubai and Sharjah free zone, even 2 free zones, every free zone also has a different cost. Here we pay like 75-80,000 dirhams for this warehouse a year. If you go to Jebel Ali free zone, you will be paying 100,000 for the same size. So it's on the area as well. If you go to Ajman free zone, you might end up paying 5,000 less.
If you go to mainland, then it's cheaper.
Yeah. If you go to mainland, that's more cheaper than this. The same size I can get at 45,000. What I'm getting at 75. But then there is a different, like here it's already civil defense done, everything is approved. So we don't have to do no running here and there for approvals. There we need to do all those things. So we end up spending there.
It's like you are outsourcing all your headache, right?
Yes.
This is what you're paying
and
for.
We outsource the whole headache and we pay some service charge and we are totally fair with it. But it's okay. There's no
They do
need.
maintenance and everything on
Yeah.
from their side.
So here everything is done by them.
Yes.
We don't have the hassle of getting the sewage connection, getting electric connections, all
Pest
these
control,
things
everything.
they take care of.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for explanation.
Most
It's
welcome.
very valuable.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.